Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the equation. Start by isolating the dependent variable so you can compute outputs. Rearrange terms and divide where needed. Simplify fractions and factor common terms to reduce mistakes. Once done, compute key points, x-intercepts, y-intercept, and any asymptotes. Make sure to note domain restrictions like denominators equals 0 or square root limits. This gives you the minimal set of points and behaviors you'll plot first, so you don't guess the graph shape. Now plot the points you computed and connect them using the equation's behavior. Use a derivative or sign change test to determine where the function rises or falls. Mark maxima, minima, and inflection points. Sketch vertical and horizontal asymptotes and indicate end behavior so the curve approaches lines correctly. If the function is even or odd, reflect points rather than recomputing them. Make sure to draw smooth curves through your points, honoring slopes, and nearby behavior for accuracy. Finish by refining the sketch. Add several sample points near asymptotes, roots, and turning points to confirm the curve's path. Verify continuity and remove any plotted points that come from algebraic errors. Recompute if a value looks off. Once done, label axes, scales, and notable points so the graph communicates clearly. If the plot still disagrees with expectations, redo the algebra step by step, or use a graphing calculator to compare and find the mistake quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.